Time for a corporate beatdown.
Dose.
Every good beatdown deserves two. So this time, our media missionary Ramsey just came back. We missed him greatly.
Yes, we did.
And we want to welcome him back from his 8-month-long mission trip in Belize.
8 months, dude?
8 months.
That's 5.
We want to welcome him back with the missionary beatdown.
Yes. So the plan is I'm going to pretend like I am filming him doing like a, hey, welcome back, he's got something cool to say to the stage crew or whatever. And in reality, JoJo's going to hit him with the realness. It's going to be great.
Check it.
Dude, so welcome back.
Dude, it's good to be back.
Yeah? How's it feel to be back in the States?
It's kind of weird, dude.
Really?
I mean, it's just different, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So, special message for the stage crew people watching right now. It's like a welcome back vid or whatever.
Dude, just thanks for all the love and support and everything. And, dude, it's just been so...
Can you take me higher to a place?
Oh my gosh! Dude.
Welcome back.
Yeah!
Like I said, that's how we do it.